What up, guys? Working on a 2012 Ram 1500. I'll be going with a Hellcat oil pump and an upgraded cam. I'm going to keep my MSD, and this one doesn't require any tuning. Supposedly it gives you like 30 to 60 extra horsepower. I'll be fine with that. I want to start taking this apart. I already took out the fuse for the fuel pump right here. I'm gonna let the engine cool down, then I'm gonna start draining the oil. I'm letting the coolant drain. I took all this stuff out. I'm gonna take out the grill, start disconnect the AC. I already suck up the AC system. You don't really have to take it off, but it's gonna be a little bit easier for me to take it off because I've done so many of these Rams. So I'm gonna take these 13s off. 13s on the AC compressor and 13 over here. And then when the coolant's done draining, start taking out the radiator, and then start taking the intake manifold. Alright, I took out the radiators over there. Now I'm going to start taking out the power steering. These are 13s. If you have a newer Ram, you have electric, so this is the older one. Then I'm going to take out the AC compressor out, then start taking out the crankshaft pulley. Yeah, I'm going to get these things out of my way, and then start taking out the Alright, ready, took off my timing cover. Now I'm going to start taking the coils and the valve covers. Let's do that right now. Alright, took the valve covers off. I don't know if you guys can see that. That little tummy mark has to be at 12 o'clock. I'm going to start taking these rocker thingies off. I'm going to see if I can take the cam off without removing the push rods and all that fun stuff. Alright, I took this off already. It's an 18. I used the impact. Then these are T27s or T30s, whatever it's called, this little cover. And then I grab a ratchet, just push. I'm trying to get the lifters pushed back in. I just have the rods right there. I'm just gonna take this and just rotate it. And hopefully I don't need to take the heads off. This is what I'm trying to do. Alright, I loosened the bolts on the oil pan just enough so I can pry it down, get the oil pump out. That's a 13 mil up. Try not to drop it. If you drop it, might as well take the whole thing off. This is a 2-wheel drive Ram, much easier than a 4x4. Now I'm going to take this to the bench. I'll then start taking off this Allen bolt out so I can switch the spring in it. Alright, so this is from the Hellcat oil pump. Now I'm putting the one off my truck, and then put this back on. Alright, I lowered down the oil pan because I dropped the bolt, but I got a magnet. Put a new tensioner guide, a new timing chain tensioner. These are supposed to be bolted on 97 inch-pounds. That's what I'll be doing right now. Make sure all the lines are marked right there. Down here, I don't know if you guys can see it right there. There's like a little dot. Alright, well, those 4 oil pump and the pickup tube, 21 foot-pounds of torque. This phaser bolt, 72 foot-pounds of torque. Now I'm going to start putting the rocker arms, and then I'll see rotate the engine, see how I can see everything moving up and down. She's running. check engine light. I just need to put air in my tires.
GPS connected.
The MDS still works with the Hellcat oil pump, but yeah, I changed that spring like I showed you guys earlier. My gas mileage is about the same. It didn't drop. I got a little bit more horsepower. I actually like it without, you know, doing any other tunes on it. It has a Diablo tune, but if you just don't want to have all that hassle and get an unlocked PCM on your newer Rams, so it's a little good upgrade from the stock cam. So stay tuned, guys. Have a nice day, night, weekend, where you guys are from. Thank you.